Loosen the left and right nuts on the front wheel axle. Adjust the front wheel to move left and right until it is centered and not rubbing against the fork. Then tighten the nuts. Lift the front wheel and spin it to check if it rubs against the fork. If there is still friction, adjust the brakes by first moving the arm on the brake caliper upwards for testing. If there is still friction, adjust the distance between the brake pad and the brake disc. Loosen the brake and adjust the brake pad. Do not press it against the brake disc. Leave a little space. After adjustment, tighten the brake and test the front wheel by rotating it in the air.